Well, another beautiful day today. I don't have any plans. My only plan is to get a bus somewhere, enjoy the countryside, and get it back. I don't know where I'm going to end up. I'll go down to the bus terminal, which is down by the ferry terminal, and see what's happening. Just grab the first bus and go from there. Should be an interesting ride, or an interesting adventure. Hope to God I get back. So I'm just going for breakfast now. Another meal. I'm definitely going to have to let these trousers out. Well, another lovely day in the city, and I'm just taking a little walk towards the town centre. I think it's about 15 minutes walk, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it's like, because apparently it's beautiful. Well, Torshavn has an odd little quirk that anywhere you need to go, you've got to go uphill to go downhill. The place is full of tunnels for cars, but none for humans. I think that's my way to go. Again downhill. Well, back in the sun, that's a relief. Keep getting quite chilly in the shadow. Oh, can't be avoided. See if we can get a town map. Oh, got my map. Here we go. Quite an impressive wooden building. I wonder what it is. I'll see if I can find out and put it down below. One thing I do notice, this place is so clean. It really is. Just noticed something interesting. So I'll head up and have a look. I think I found the park. I don't know why I thought the park would be low-lying, but no, it was uphill. But what a lovely oasis in the middle of Torshavn. Yep, great place for kids.
I'm sure there's more to that park, but I need to get back to the bus terminal to see if I can get a bus to Torshavn. I do love this place, but then again, in this weather, what place wouldn't be nice? It's gorgeous, quaint, clean, people are friendly. What more do you want on a holiday? Kind of relieved the South Hill now. So I head back towards where the buses are at the Tourist Information Office, and it's only 750 metres to the bus terminal where I can get the bus to Torshavn, or whatever you say it. Oh geez, the lights are ripping through your city. I'm sure I heard a peacock. Maybe I'm just missing the third one. Right, now who's this chap? For research required. This was originally the first tourist hotel many years ago. This'll be it. Coffee acquired for 52 krona. Right, take my coffee to my favourite seat. I have my coffee. Thank you.
You're welcome.
A lovely little place.
Yes. Okay.
Prøv at se, hvad der er. Ikke til morgen, så er det langt. Jeg tror, det var mig, der...
Der var en dag i det så. Nej, men det gav hun i går. Stine, vi snakkede med. Altså, der var jo blevet nedlagt, var den ikke? Okay.
Well, in 50 minutes I'll be getting the number 300 bus to Torshavn. It's the same bus that I'll take to the airport tomorrow, but I'm going only to Torshavn and see if I can get a ferry across to an island I can't pronounce. Looks like Bickens? I don't know. I'll find out when I'm there. How could there's a watch?
Yeah, I met you in the airport, huh?
Yeah, oh well, I'll go there to Torshavn,
Oh, yeah.
but past the airport.
That's the airport, sorry.
You flying out today?
No, I just live here. I'm just going well. So. Det er politik, står i bil.
Hi, surfer. Thank you. Don't fall asleep. Well, what a full and wonderful day that was. From having no plans this morning, everything just came together. A lovely walk into Torshavn, up to the park, then down for the bus that took me way down past the airport with a lovely bus driver called Ian Malcolm, believe it or not. He's Faroese, but his dad comes from Edinburgh. So friendly, and just got on like a house on fire. Met a nice couple too. She was from Germany, he was from Ireland. Very strange, but we had a good chat when the bus was turning around at the bottom and I just was jumping back on again. The weather continues to be fantastic, and the scenery is just to die for. I'd advise anybody who likes scenery and a quiet life, come to the Faroes. You really can't beat this. Well, there is one thing left from the fridge on the boat. And guess what I'm going to be doing now?